Hello guys, nice to see you today at our new lesson. Today we will verify the home task resolution for real-life sample of BDD scenario in real project. First, let's remember what our home task was. We had to create a BDD scenario for an e-commerce website. We had to select an area of our interest, such as any flow, at an e-commerce website. Please keep in mind that for the explanation of the home task, order placement in shop cart scenario was used. Also, we had to use given, when, then format. One more important was to try to use the only one when step. Also, we had to use commonly understandable language for it. Let's discuss why is it so important to solve this task before proceeding to coding exercises. The home task of creating a BDD scenario for an e-commerce website is incredibly important for all the students for several reasons. First and foremost, it teaches them how to think from a user's perspective. By imagining themselves as users and detailing each step of a specific interaction, they will learn how to empathize with potential customers. This empathy is critical in real-life software development because understanding user needs is the foundation of creating user-friendly and effective digital products. Secondly, this task helps students to develop their communicational skills. You will have to articulate your thoughts clearly and cohesively in a structured format, given, when, then. This clarity is essential in the field of technology, where precise communication can significantly impact project outcomes. Additionally, creating BDD scenarios enhances problem-solving skills. You, as students, need to break down a complex process into manageable steps, anticipating potential issues along the way. This analytical thinking is a fundamental skill in software development, where identifying and addressing problems early can save a lot of time and effort later in the development process. Lastly, this task fosters collaboration and teamwork. I would strongly encourage to share your scenarios and your opinions about the scenarios in the comment section for this video. When students discuss and compare their scenarios, you will learn something from each other. You will see different perspectives and approaches, promoting a diverse way of thinking. This is a valuable skill in the tech industry, where collaboration between individuals with varied viewpoints is very common. In summary, this task is not just about writing a scenario. It's about nurturing empathy, improving communication, honoring problem-solving abilities, and encouraging collaborative thinking, all of which are essential skills that will serve students well in their future careers in technology and beyond. Now, let's describe the scenario that I created. First of all, you can see that the feature file is called as effortless shopping. The brief description of the feature we will develop sounds as the following. As an online shopper, I want to effortlessly add a selected item to my shopping cart, so that I can quickly review my choices and purchase the selected products. This is a nice rule of creating any feature file. You need to have a short and cohesive description of what all the features that will be developed here will do and help the user to resolve their issues. After this, I have the following scenario. an item can be added to a shopping cart. It begins with the following step. Given the user is on the homepage of the e-commerce website. This step establishes the initial context of the scenario. It specifies the starting point where the user begins the interaction. In the context of the e-commerce website, this step sets the sense for a typical user interaction, assuming the user has accessed the homepage and is ready to engage with the platform. The following step sounds like the user searches for a specific product, say smartphone. The step describes the user action of searching for a particular product on the website. It aligns with the task's requirement to cover a common user interaction. Searching for product is a fundamental and common action on an e-commerce platform, making it suitable choice for this scenario. The following step is, and the product from search result is selected. After searching, the user selects a specific product from the search results. This step ensures that the scenario progresses logically. Once the user searches for a product, the next natural step is to select a specific item to interact with, which is in line with the task's requirement for a specific user interaction. The next step is, and the user chooses a specific color and quantity for the selected smartphone. Here, the user customizes the selected product by choosing a specific color and quantity. This step enriches the scenario by incorporating user choices and preferences. It's crucial to consider scenarios where users interact with the website in personalized manner, reflecting the real-world usage of an e-commerce platform. The action step here is when the user clicks on the Add to Cart button. This step represents a user action that triggers a specific event on the website, adding the chosen item to the cart. This action fulfills the task's requirement to focus on a specific functionality. Adding item to the cart is a pivotal function in any e-commerce platform, making it a relevant and essential part of this scenario. The checks consists of three following steps. The first one is, then the selected item should appear in the user's shopping cart. This step defines the expected outcome after the user performs the action. It ensures that the selected item is correctly added to the user's cart. As you remember, the task requirement was to specify the expected behavior of the chosen functionality. It sets a clear expectation for the outcome of the user interaction. The following check is, and the total number of items in the shopping cart should increase by 1. This step verifies the impact of the user action on the shopping cart's total items count. It demonstrates the importance of validating the system's response to user actions. In this case, it ensures that the system accurately updates the shopping cart reflecting the user's choice. The final step of the scenario sounds like, and the total price in the shopping cart is the price of the selected item multiplied by its quantity. This step confirms the correctness of the total price calculation in the shopping cart based on the selected item's price and quantity. It emphasizes the need to validate not only the item count, but also the financial aspect of the user interaction. In an e-commerce scenario, accurate pricing is crucial for user trust and satisfaction. In short, each step of the given BDD scenario is crafted to represent a logical sequence of user actions and system responses during a typical e-commerce interaction. This scenario effectively addresses the task's requirement by focusing on a specific functionality. add an item to the cart in this example, and detailing the user journey, expectations, and system behaviors. This is everything what I got for you for today. I hope that this was interesting for you to consider the home task resolution for this lesson. Thank you for your attention. See you in our next lesson.